Hello. We are going to be doing problem 2 on Project Euler. So basically we are using the Fibonacci sequence and there is a pattern and not a crazy hard to understand maths formula. So we have 1 add 2 equals 3, 2 add 3 equals 5, and then so on. And you have to go on and it doesn't go above 4 million, and then find the sum of the even value terms. Well, and they mean even numbers of the sum. Since we are doing this daily, you can turn on notifications so you'll get alerted when I've uploaded the latest video, so you can keep up and do Project Euler daily. While equals 1, current equals 2, data answer equals 0, while not current 4 million. And this is not this part will not be perfect because the way I did it unfortunately exceeded the 4 million but wasn't even, so it doesn't matter. Prior equals to current, take away prior. If you have current equals 0, this calculates if it is an even number. Then we do data dot append the current number. Then we iterate through every single number, and we can have a look for the answer by adding all the numbers together. By adding every number in the list, which are all even, we can find the answer, which will be even 2. So if we print out the answer, we have this. So I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and just before I leave, make sure you have a look in the description, because there are a link to the GitHub download and a link to the Project Euler page. Goodbye.